Hey, Mrs. Smith here with the last example from IXL's DD.5. Judy and some friends are going rock climbing this weekend, and in preparation, Judy purchased 8 sports drinks to bring. 5 of them were lemon flavored. If Judy randomly chooses 4 of them to hand out to her friends in a certain order, what's the probability that just the first 2 are going to be the lemon flavored ones? Right now, we need to focus in on the in a certain order. This is no longer a combination where you could think of it like we all made the team, not we all made starter or pitcher or catcher or a specific position. In a certain order means instead of doing an CR for combinations, we're going to do an PR for permutations. Still looking for a total and how many we're choosing, but this time it's an NPR. We've got 2 different scenarios here. We've got 8 total sport drinks, 5 of them being lemon, and we're choosing 4 of them, but we're looking for the first 2 to be lemon. So when we talk about our 2 scenarios, we're talking about the first 2 are lemon, which means the second 2 that we have to pick, because remember we're picking a total of 4 sports drinks to hand out to our friends, are not necessarily a lemon flavor. These are our outcomes. We're specifically looking for the first 2 to be lemon and the second 2 to not be lemon. Okay, well, we've got 8 sports drinks total, and we know 5 of them are lemon, which means that 3 of them are not lemon. So remember, probability is outcome over total, and so we want to start by figuring out what that outcome is. Or we're going to start by figuring out total. Total is always the easiest. We want to know how many different ways we can put in order 8 different sports drinks if we're handing out 4 of them. And the total number of ways we can hand out those 4 sports drinks in a specific order is 1,680 different ways. Now we need to figure out the outcomes. We've got 2 different scenarios that need to happen at the same time. So like we did in the previous one, we're going to have 2 permutations that we have to find here. The first one is going to be for the lemon. Now we have 5 lemon drinks total that we're choosing from, but the first 2 have to be lemon. So 5, and I need to get 2 of them. So how many different ways can that order take place? And for that second condition to be met, the last 2 to not be lemon, we're picking from 3 drinks that are not lemon flavored, and we need to pick 2 of them. So there are 120 different ways that you're going to get 2 that are lemon and 2 that are not in that order. So the probability of us handing out those 4 drinks and the first 2 being lemon is 0.0714.